Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Magnesium Glycinate Complex 450 mg tablets, formulated for calm, high absorption, muscle relax, gentle digestion, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, bioavailable, 180 tablets. Necesito elevar mis niveles de magnesio, que ayuda a fijar el calcio en los huesos. Love this stuff. It helps me fall asleep faster, and keeps me calm throughout the day. Zhou Magnesium Glycinate Chelate 450 mg Magnesium Supplement in chelated form for high absorption, and gentle digestion, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, 180 capsules. This absorbs differently so it doesn't give me so much gas like other magnesium supplements. Please do yourself a favor, and only buy the capsule version of this kind of product. Have yet to notice any weird side effects like you can sometimes get from a magnesium supplement. The other magnesium products found locally are the cheap ones that aren't assimilated easily as this one. Magnesium is great for sleeping. It works in relation to melatonin, so a lot of people take melatonin, but you also need magnesium for the full knockout effect. Might be nothing wrong with it, but those are the things that make me not want to purchase it the next time. This really helps without giving me the poops, and without making me really tired. We're 3 family members, all with heart ailments, and magnesium glycinate is the only formula of magnesium recommended for heart health. For someone who has trouble swallowing giant tablets, barium swallow test got stuck. For example, the move from a veggie capsule to giant tablet was a deal breaker. This went from one of the best to one of the most undesirable magnesium products. It's a combination of glycinate and oxide with no indication of the ratio of glycinate to oxide. Good product. It helps me control headaches, and is easier on digestive system when compared with plain magnesium. If you're looking for magnesium, this is the one that is best absorbed by our bodies. Love this. It took about 2 or 3 days to feel the effects, which have been amazing. This magnesium glycinate has helped most with getting into a deep REM sleep at night, and those awful body aches. So far so good. I've only been taking it for a week and a half. Very pleased with this supplement. It seems to be doing well for me, without any of the common gastrointestinal side effects that come along with some magnesium supplements. They have a lot of mag oxide in the ingredients. It's a worse form, and cheap. Bait switch. This bottle. They are huge capsules that are difficult to even swallow, and don't seem to be working as well. Between insomnia, restless leg syndrome, sleepwalking, and sleep apnea, this is the only thing that's helped me sleep. However, they've now got a scam going where they have not changed bottle design, not have they promoted the fact that they changed their formula to a blend of magnesium oxides that humans don't readily and easily absorb. So unless you want to pay good money for a laxative with no other health benefits, shop elsewhere. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.